Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
So, lifers, trying to get the camera angle right. Still looking for that camera person full time. This is part 2 to building the big chicken, duck, turkey pen at 16 by 8. Okay, what's held me up so long is fastening chicken wire to the cattle panels. Y'all see this? I'll link it in the description. It's a semi-automatic J hooker or hog ring pliers. Bam bam, that's what I've been looking for. It took me like 3 minutes to get a piece of chicken wire on an 8-foot panel after I got it laid up there like I wanted it. Now that's a pain in the butt and there's no way to get around that. But maybe I can get it finished today. Today's Thursday, probably in the morning. Because I may go fishing this evening. I hadn't been since last Friday. I'm not filming the fishing much right now because it's just so hot. I can't keep the cameras running unless I get to go early in the mornings, and I hadn't been able to do that. Should be able to next week. Once I get through with these pens, some more fishing videos, promise. But I hope today I get rolling. Like it's midday, I didn't even get started. It's probably noon, maybe 1 o'clock. Let's look and see. 12:30 is my bet. 12:36. And it's already 83 in the shade. That's not the heat index, that's just the temperature. And the humidity is about 117%. So I'm moving slow, but I'm working towards a goal. So that's all we can do. I'll bring y'all some time lapse of me doing the panels and maybe of me setting them up. I don't know. Working by myself with the camera, no guarantees. All right, I gotta get to work. One more thing, you can tell it's summertime in Texas and B. John's working outside. He's got the old fruit juice bottle full of ice and water. Yes, sir. Nothing like it. I need a grinder bad, but this is what I'm cutting this with. This is what I've cut every bit of hardware cloth and everything. Like silkers. They're, you know, like an ambulance person carries. Yes, I like the paint, but it works. I mean, it's not the fastest, but it works. Just like that. Poor boy got poor ways. Remember that the rest of your life. You'll be better off. Alright, lifers. It's finally almost done. It's done enough. We're finna put the turkeys in there. I had to shorten it a bit. It's not pretty. And it's held together with bubble gum and zip ties and baling wire and hog rings. It's not pretty, but it's done. I'm finna put them in here because I don't have a top on. I'm finna clip the wings. I'll bring y'all on a time lapse on that. I hope I remember how. It's been about 30 years since I did this, so y'all bear with me. day lifers. I don't know how far I got yesterday before the battery died, but it died. And I got everything finished as good as it's gonna be for a day or two. We gotta do a little bit more, but I gotta drive another T-post, even up some stuff. I'll show you what we got so far. Nothing fancy. They like it. It held them. Apparently it kept everything out. We got 6 healthy turkeys still. And Bumblefoot's around here somewhere. I just seen him. I don't know where he's hiding. The ducks are in here. They all seem a lot happier in here. Hope they grow faster. I wish I could just let the turkeys go. Let them run. Gunner would not have any part of that though. Trying to find Bumblefoot. I guess he's hiding. I think he's in the house hiding. Everything's doing good. Gotta get a top on it. That'll happen sometime this week. They've already ate everything green out here they could eat. And there's Bumblefoot, taking a break. Has not got any better. I've done everything I could do. I actually believe he broke his leg. He gets up and gets around, it's just not good. But I know I should probably take him out of his misery, but he's not big enough to eat yet. Yeah, I said it like that. All right, I'll bring y'all back and wrap this up. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this short little cringy video on the cage build finish up, pen finish up, whatever you want to call it. I need opinions on what to do with the turkey. Real life. We all know this ain't Walt Disney that we live in. So, y'all give me y'all's thoughts on it. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your buddies about it. We're growing a little bit now. Need to grow a little bit more. Sorry there hadn't been any fishing videos. It's just been like that. It's gonna be like that. It's hot. Today it's supposed to be 99 degrees. Tomorrow it's supposed to be over 100. It's supposed to be over 100 every day for about 7. I'm not doing much fishing when it's like that. I'm not doing much of anything other than keeping these animals watered and fed. I'll be honest.